Welcome to your Mortgage Insider Update, July 13th, Monday, following renewed strikes in the Middle East, the U.S. trading uh, lots of strikes against the Iranian regime. They have struck back at U.S. bases. Oil prices, as a result, are higher. Tensions are mounting here, and it takes us back to the middle of May before the Memorandum of Understanding was initially signed. Iran seems to not be interested in continuing forward with that, and the U.S. has effectively pulled out, and we're kind of back to square one. So what gains we had in the interest rate market as well as the oil markets have started to subside. Oil prices back around $74 a barrel after breaching below $70. So haven't reached the 80 to $100 that we had, just not too long ago, but we could be there as these continued tensions mount. So let's see how that results on the charts this morning. Take a quick look. Let me see, we start the day up with the 10-year Treasury just below 4.6%. That is the level that we were breaching above for a few days back in May. So we're definitely close to what we saw as the highs before things calmed down with these increased mortgage rates on the mortgage-backed security. Prices are down. So as the price goes down, the investors are not willing to pay for the mortgage bonds. And that drives the interest rate up to the consumer, which is why we focus on the 10-year Treasury as a better barometer of what's happening in the rates. So we have been moving up over the last week, hovering just below that 4.6%, 4.59, which is what we're just breaching above today. That level is what we saw back. We got below that back on May 21st after breaching above it back in the middle of May, right before the Memorandum of Understanding was signed and agreed to. So we've seen over the last couple of weeks, interest rates have generally subsided. We're on a great path through the end of June, coming into the 4th of July holiday week, but the tensions are mounting, and we've seen a move back up in interest rates, which will impact everybody looking to buy, sell, refinance a house right now that are looking into financing. That this is for the short term at least, or maybe the continued term where we live. And as Freddie Mac posted this last week, interest rates hovering around 6.5%, and really not budging from that after just briefly getting down to 6.3% back in the end of June week. As always, we'll keep an eye out this for you and come up with a video every Monday. So keep an eye out on the YouTube page if you just want to follow the YouTube posts. But if you want to sign up for our newsletter or view that, it's in the description. Have a great week.